All right, guys, thanks for tuning in today's one of those rare days where we have no soccer, no hockey in the morning. So I figured let me try to make some breakfast for the kids, for the family, and let me show you how to use this thing if you're gonna be making breakfast food. I mean, it's not too crazy. All right, let's get started on this Blackstone here. This is just a big plate. It's what most restaurants will use to cook your food if you're gonna go have some breakfast there. So let's dive in. Let's have some really good breakfast. Let's have a great morning. And then we have some soccer later. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and hit that button right here. It's a little igniter switch. Turn your burners, all four of them, onto high. Start heating up the plate. And what we're going to do is start cleaning this thing. But you want to turn it on high and get you a rag, get you some oil ready and a scraper ready, okay? So as you can see, all the burners are on. One of the cool little extras that I bought for the Blackstone was this little magnet here. And it's so useful because a lot of the food gets trapped in here. And then there's a little bucket over here. Right there. Just want to buy yourself some of these grease cups. They're super convenient. Basically, it goes in here and it fills up and you can just dump these. And it's much better than having to take the other piece off because this one just comes right up. You just dump it in the trash. All right, guys, on the menu, we make some sausage, some bacon, some more sausage, some eggs, some pancakes, some hash browns, and even some waffles. All right, and to clean this griddle, all you want to do is get some oil, make sure your plate is hot, get yourself a rag and a spatula, a metal one so it doesn't burn, of course, and just let the oil heat up, start scraping, and you can put all the excess grime and just old food to the back where it has a little catch can. And as you scrape, go ahead and put your towel on there and just scrape it really good.
You haven't started cooking yet?
Been cooking. I'm cleaning.
Oh, just cleaning.
Yeah, it's part of cleaning. I have to clean, throw the bacon on there.
I can help you.
Okay.
I'll be the one that's giving you like the foods and stuff.
Okay.
But
Perfect.
for now, I'm gonna be playing some soccer.
Okay, I'll call you.
Yeah.
Okay. Like show the bacon and then cut it. No, cut it like right there. Cut it right there. Cut it. Yeah, you want to throw the bacon on there?
Yeah.
Just do this too. Look.
Dude, look at this guy's face. Bacon.
Do that. And then here. I spread off the bacon a little bit. Oh. Say hi. Say hi. So much, buddy. All right, okay. What you want to do with the bacon is this, look. Bacon, when it first starts cooking, you don't want to flip it too much because then you're going to mess it up. Kind of just let it be long, you know? Like, let it be long. That's it. That's all you got to do right now.
Okay.
And once they start cooking, start taking more pieces out. And do this.
That's a good piece right there.
Yeah. You gotta be careful with the bacon.
So we got the bacon already on there. I'm going to go ahead and rip open this sausage. My son really loves sausage, so I was like, got to have this for the breakfast food today. All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm just going to put the sausage right in the center because I have it a little bit hotter in the center. And on the right side where the bacon's cooking, I'm pretty much regulating the temperatures so my bacon doesn't burn or it doesn't undercook. At sausages from Trader Joe's, really, really good.
All right, guys, got my bacon cooking. Got my sausages cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and cut all these meats. Then I'm gonna turn off one of the burners. Then I'll start cooking my hash browns. Then I'll do my pancakes and I'll finish with the eggs.
So my sausage and my bacon are pretty much almost done. And what you want to do is as they're continuing to cook, you place the ones that are done on the left side. You turn off that left burner. okay? And it'll keep it warm enough. It's not gonna overcook it. You wanna keep it on the left side so that you can go ahead and cook all the new things you're gonna cook on the right side. Like these eggs here, I'm gonna go ahead and crack a bunch of eggs. And what I like to make is I like to put, you know, maybe about 6, 7 eggs, crack them all open, and then just whisk them and put some garlic salt. That's it. You don't need to do anything else with eggs. It tastes delicious this way. It already has enough salt. So this one you can get at Costco or anywhere else, the Lawry's. Garlic salt, it's delicious. I put it on everything. All right. Don't forget to sneak in that bite. You know you always do anyways. Ooh, it's hot. So I got these hash browns now that I got from Trader Joe's. Just go ahead and dump them on there. Put some oil on there. Make sure the pan obviously is hot, the griddle, and get that second bag on there. A little bit more oil, some salt. Gotta have some flavor on these hash browns, you know what I'm saying? So what you want to do now is just spread it out. And if those sausages are done, just go ahead and place them on the left side because they're going to be in your way. And honestly, they've been cooking a while. And even if it needed a little bit longer to cook, you can just place them on the left side. It'll finish cooking on that side. So let's go ahead and just spread out these hash browns. And they're frozen, so you got to take your time with them. Just kind of spread them out. And as you can see, that beautiful sausage and bacon on the left side. But yeah, just chop up these hash browns, kind of flatten them out. And what you're going to end up doing is making like little squares, right? And you'll be separating them after so you can flip them. So as it starts cooking more and more, this is when you can achieve this. And if you need a little bit more oil, you can put butter too. I put oil on this time. But honestly, it probably would taste better with butter. But I just did it with oil. And they were just fine. Obviously, you can make them better each time. But this is my first cook on here for breakfast. There's a lot of little things that I learned. Yeah, so here it is what I'm saying. So you flip it, and that hash brown, you flip it once and it's cooked. And as they're cooked, you can also place them on the left side. It gives you space to make your eggs. All right, so I actually went ahead and made the eggs first, and then I did the pancakes at the end. So the eggs, they cook extremely fast, so you gotta be ready for them. And yeah, so they're done here. Got my hash browns, got my eggs, got my bacon, everything's ready. Give this thing a wipe down for the pancakes. Gotta really scrub into it because if you don't clean this off well, pancakes are gonna be black. And that's not what you want. So yeah, look at that dirty rag, it's nasty. So you should do this after every single different item that you're cooking. I made this mistake with the hash browns, but I didn't make it on the pancakes. So this is what I learned about the griddle. Big tip. Do not overlook that part. All right, so put some butter. Now I'm going to go ahead and this is a little measuring cup or whatever. It's like half a cup. And I just grab it so it could be like perfect pancake sizes. Makes it a little easier. You know, you don't have to do it. You can just do it however you want. But this is the way I make them. So go ahead and place those little circles all throughout. And I put it on like medium heat because these things will cook too fast. So make sure you put that on medium heat when you're cooking these pancakes. All right. So as soon as you put them on there and you're done pouring them all, the first one that you did is almost done. So make sure you're quick on the spatula. Get that thing ready because it's coming. And you could put a little bit more butter around it, but it's not really necessary. So what you want to do is start flipping these guys. Like I said, they're going to be done very quickly. And just flip them one by one as they continue to cook. And yeah, those pancakes, they're delicious. They got the little crisp on the end, but this is the final product, guys. Came out delicious. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like button.